Can the brand new iPhone 17 really replace a professional DSLR cameras? Well, today we are putting Apple's latest flagship to the test against the photograph gold standard. Let's get in. On one side, we have a DSLR big sensor, interchangeable lenses, and full manual control. On the other, the iPhone 17 with its AI-powered triple lens 80K camera system, smart HDR6, and a computational photograph. In daylight, the iPhone 17 holds its own crisp details, vibrant colors, and instant processing. But when you zoom in, the DSLR's largest sensor still delivers unmatched sharpness. How about the night shots? Here's where Apple's software magic shines. With advanced night modes, the AI noise reduction, the iPhone 17 actually comes shockingly close to DSLR performance. And when it comes to a video, the iPhone 17 takes the cloud. Cinematic mode, real-time stabilization, and 80K recording make it filmmakers' pocket tool. Sometimes something most DSLRs can't match out of the box. So can the iPhone 17 replace DSLRs? Well, for casual photographers and even content creators, absolutely. But for professionals who demand full frame quality and range versatility, the DSLR still wins. What do you think? Are we entering the era where your phone replaces your camera bag? Drop your thought in the comment, hit the like and subscribe for more epic tech comparison, guys. Take care.